Hello, best friend. Hello, best friend. Hey, have you checked out my outfit for today? Hello, best friend. It's just because I'm not having fats. That's why you're not seeing me sweating. But I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Florence Flora. If you are new, kindly subscribe and join the family. So today, as you can see by the title, we are going to clean the fridge. Anyway, by the way, before I go to that, for those in Arab families, these two words really confused me when I was new. The word felaja and freezer. They could tell me, go in the felaja and bring this, or go in the freezer. I couldn't differentiate between the two, but this is the felaja. If they tell you the felaja, just the cooling one, whereas the freezer, already, as you can see it in English, the one with the highest cooling. So before I get into that, I welcome you back to all my returning subscribers. I will appreciate and thank you so much. So let me take you through what I'm going to use while I'm cleaning the freezer. I'm having this. The one is for vegetables and fruits, and I'm going to take you through the next one. But what I'm going to use while cleaning this, I'm having this bowl, which is containing the Clorox, a Feli, plus that lever I'm going to use for removing those stained whatevers, and the next bowl, which is containing the clean water. Yeah, and this small towel I'm going to be using while it is going to just help me in trying out that water that I'm going to be using. So stay tuned. So guys, as I can see, I'm not going to I have not taken you through while I'm cleaning this one because it was a lot of work. So here I'm having the pumpkins down, and I'm having this second floor, which is containing the tomatoes, and I'm having this, which I arranged, as you can see, the eggplants, the water, and these ones, the green ones that I usually eat within the cubes or the rice, and I also separated these ones, plus those fruits here, as you can see, and the upper one that I used to put this, like the saucepan that I've put the food which is left. It is not damaged that when I cook something that is at least huge, I usually separate it and bring it here so that it doesn't get contaminated or whatever. In that people can use it in the following day, or they can give it to the needy outside there. But the reason as why I'm bringing it here is while you're separating these ones, I use these table covers. Yeah, they help me. I put it down before putting these ones up. I put it down. It helps in you see, when this one get they stay for at least a long time. At times it can get damaged in when it's, how should I say it, as they as they stay for a long time. At times these ones get to be removed in. Since I don't want the fridge to get detained with these ones, to give me that more work of cleaning every day, I just remove these ones and pull out this one. I throw it, I put it in new one. It helps me a lot. Yeah, now I'm remaining with this one. that one plus this second one here. It is what you are going to be seeing me arranging. Yes, finally I'm finished with this part. You can see the laban, the milk, the ones down. Arrange these ones. As you can see, tell me I did a great job. Yeah, and the taller ones up. I think I did a great job. And now let's go to. So I'm going to this one. So catch you later. Guys, as you can see, I removed everything. It is empty inside here. And the reason that's why I'm bringing it here is before, when I was new, I thought I was slick and I could, example, you see this one, when they told me Flora Lohinade Felaja, I could just pick it here and extend a side and clean just like that. And my madam used to come and check every corner, every whatever remove. So after like giving me the work of cleaning the freezer, I again said, okay, this is again too much. At least I should just abide by removing everything and clean it thoroughly, so that I don't be given double work. So guys, it is really important first to remove everything in the village before cleaning. There's something that is staying and you can't see if at all. You just be like, you think you want to like to clean it quicker and go. My dear, I was fed up with giving me double work every day. Yes, finally I'm done feeding it everything, as you can see. Yeah, it is done, and this part is also done. I think I've arranged it well, but I'm remaining with this part. So I'm closing this one so that I can clean this one without anything like again deadening the part that I'm done. But again guys, the thing that I hate while cleaning this way is like the condition is not favoring me here. because it is lacking the air condition, at least to cool the environment. It is hella hot, as you can see. Saudi Arabia, it is really hot, and you can just imagine me staying here like for an hour without an air conditioner within here. It's just because I'm not having fats, that's why you're not seeing me sweating, but I'm dying. I tell you, I'm dying. Okay, when I come to clean this room, I usually come with my glass so that I can be taking some hot things just to cool myself. It is really hot, and I'm not going to clean this one. It contains a meat and chicken because the condition is not favoring me. I think I'll clean it in following day just alone. It is big as you can see. Your girl is tired, and I'm having some other work that is awaiting me in the kitchen. I'm the only person in the family. It's big. It's big. Hell, best friend. Hell, best friend. Hey, have you checked out my outfit for today? Hell, best friend. Thank you for cleaning the Felaja freezer. Thank you for cleaning with me the Arab Felaja freezer with me. For the new ones are the ones going to get something. For the oldies, I know you already know how do you think, but I really appreciate you. Thank you kabisa kabisa. Comment down below what you think. Have you got something? I will check on you. Let's stay connected. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more. Bye bye.